Good afternoon, this is David Thornbury from Eastern Rural with this week's Dalby Cattle Sale Report. This week we saw a yarding of 4,187 head. That was an increase of 930 on last week's sale. Southern processors were once again operating in Dalby today, and along with that we had a large and active panel of restockers that really laid a good foundation in the store market. Prices today, we saw bullocks top at 359 cents. Heavy feeder steers made to 356. That was an excellent result on the feeder steers. The heavy cows got to 293 cents. Heavy heifers topped at 304 cents. The yearling feeder steers made to 366, which was a slight decrease on last week's rates. Yearling feeder heifers, we saw an improvement in this, and they topped at 334. That was up 10 or 15 on last week's rates. Weaner steers got to 392 cents today. The weaner heifers really sold well, making to 316, which was an improvement on 10 to 20 cents on last week's sale. All in all, a very solid result. Prices remain firm and in most cases a little dearer on last sale. Thanks very much. That's all for this week's sale report.